Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I've done my last video and things have been pretty busy here. But today let's try something new, and I wanted to try to draw animals. So this is a book I've had for a really long time about drawing animals easily. And what I want to do is to try to use my new sketchbook, because I finished my last sketchbook. I finished quite a lot of sketchbooks in the last few weeks, but anyway, this is my new sketchbook that I've already started a little bit. As you can see here, I've tested some stuff in there, so don't hesitate to let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a full tour of what I've done in this sketchbook. And what I want to do here is just to grab some coal erased pencil. It's basically a colored pencil that you can erase, and draw some of these animals, try to simplify them and to stylize them a bit, and then I'll see if I can add some colors and where I can go from there. Okay, so I want to start with this one. This is a step-by-step cat that is sitting, and it's really nice. So let's try this. And I've recently changed the way I've organized my supplies. So now I have them all on wheels just next to my desk, and it's really nice and it really helps to keep the flow going and to continue to draw and create stuff. So it's super nice. Okay, so those are my erasable and watercolor pencils. So I'm gonna start. Feeling like pink, don't know why. So let's take some space and let's start. Okay, so for now I'm just blocking out the shapes, trying to see if I can find some kind of cat in here. Okay, so here is the basic of my cat, and now I'm just gonna grab some colored pencil and start to just, I don't know, put a little bit of color and see where it takes me. Okay, so I'm just cleaning up the edges of this cat. I'm not taking out all the sketch because I wanted to keep this sketchy vibe. And here is the first animal, so I really like it. And I've used just a variety of colors that came to my mind when I was working on it. At the end I added this darker violet, almost blue purple violet, just to add a little bit of hue shift and not having it all in the pink orange tones. And I think it worked really well. So that's for the first one, and it took quite a bit of space actually in my page. So I don't know how to organize my page to have a nice layout. I was thinking maybe I could just leave the cat as it is. Okay, so this is it for today's video, and I hope you liked it, and I will keep it at the real speed this time. Okay, so I'm not talking that much, but I hope you will enjoy to see me draw this little cat and put some nice colors. Actually, this was inspired by a video from Jess Carp, so we'll also link the video in the description. And if you enjoyed this, you can, of course, as always, subscribe to the channel. And in the description, I will also link to my Patreon page. So if you want to find some more content, you can have some exclusive content there. And you can also follow me on Instagram. So yeah, don't forget to comment what you'd like to see me draw next and any tips or ideas on what I've drawn today. And until then, see you in my next video. Bye!